A
Still kill.
traditional good pull.
I thought we did pretty good on that one. The last one we got to the second one.
Let's
Pretty
make it
good.
better. Let's make it better.
Hey, you gotta take the small ones, okay, Remy? Shit.
He's really good at that. He's really good at taking the small ones.
What the fuck?
What does that mean?
I don't know.
What's that one implying?
Need an adult.
You can take
They
more
eat,
than
like,
one?
small peepees.
Yeah, it implies he takes.
Wait.
Alright, we're
Oh.
good.
No,
That
I,
was cancerous.
I don't have a chest plate attached.
Wait, what?
Sir? Broken.
Oh my god.
What?
Do you repair things individually? I thought you repaired your
Shut
weapons!
up! Move the fucking block!
No!
Move
This
the
is
fucking
too
block.
alarming! Ari, where the fuck are you Are you moving around the circle? What the fuck is Tate's dead?
Killed me!
So much
What the fuck is? Did you fall off the edge?
Great. I'm having a great time.
Who murdered Sensei?
Nothing
Studies
is
a crash.
wrong.
He's just like PvP gear. We don't need him.
God.
Holy shit!
Can I go one raid with fixed armor? Just one expansion.
Adam?
You, my dude.
Brother, you're the one that repairs your gear!
The matter.
What about matter?
Remy's dead!
What?
Can I go one raid with repaired armor? What the fuck? In Christ! You pressed the repair button! Why did you individually repair your weapons?
I didn't. I clicked repair all. It's just everything's all broken. I don't know how my chest plate broke first.
Oh, God.
I just got a funky little man on the top right of my screen with a red chest right now. I'll be right back.
I'm pretty sure that was the last
That was definitely last ball.